Hello, I'm Lisa, and today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon balm tincture. Tinctures are easy to make. You just need two ingredients. You just need the menstruum, and then you need the herbs. Menstruums would be like glycerin, alcohol, and apple cider vinegar. And then you can use dried or fresh herbs. Tinctures are easy to make, and they're easy to use to travel. With tinctures, you can just put them in dropper bottles, which then you just put a couple drops underneath your tongue, or you could put the tinctures in your tea, water, or juice. Tinctures are easier to store than dried herbs, and so today I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to use apple cider vinegar, organic, and then I'm going to use lemon balm. I like to use the mason jars because they're airtight. Because you need to make sure they're airtight, so to keep the oxygen from getting at them. So now I don't measure, but if you were to measure, it would be one part herb to 5 parts of liquid. So right now I'm just going to dump some in. You can use fresh or dried. I'm just using dried. And then I'm making a mess. So I'm just going to do this until I know for sure how much I want to put in. Take care of that later. And then you just take this and then you just pour it over. Now, because you're using dried herbs, you're going to need more liquid. So you need to make sure that it is covered. And then basically you just go like this to make sure that it's all covered. I'm going to add some more. Like this. Okay. And then you just close it. Just like that. And then I just give it a little shake. So what I do is I like to label it. And then I have a calendar that I write down when to check on it. So with this, it takes about 4 to 6 weeks. So you want to check on it. You don't have to shake it every day, but you could shake it a couple of times. Now, after the 4 to 6 weeks, you strain it. And then you just use it. Lemon balm is good for mild depression. It's good for tension, exhaustion. It's good to take if you're stressed or anxious. It's a good sleep aid. Helps with gas and the bloating, and it can also stimulate the appetite. It is good for muscle tension, for menstrual cramps, and it's good for tension headaches. Now you need to store this in a dark and cool location, and it has to be away from any heat source, and it has to be away from any sunlight, like the sun or even interior lights. And that's it. Thank you.